Hello
and welcome
to All the Gear.
Some idea.
So we have these Triumph Bobber Bonneville 1200.
Yeah, it's the first time you've seen this on the channel. I've had it for about 6-7 months now.
Yeah.
Picked up towards late summer last year. Started noticing an issue with it when we were riding, when it was coming towards winter months, when it's cold October, November time. We went out on a few rides and it was a bit spluttery. When it got hot, it was struggling to pull away. I was installing it and pulling away. At first, I thought I wasn't used to the bike, but turns out there's a bit more of an underlying issue.
Yeah. So you've got the fault with the spark plug caps.
Yeah.
And you also found a fix for a common low end problem on these as well.
Low end rough running.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this video is just going to be
the first issue.
Yeah.
So
the thing we can see a problem is.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, we found the issue. We'll show you a snippet of what it is here.
Insert here.
So what you basically saw there was the spark plug cap is arcing on the engine. So the spark isn't actually getting through to the spark plug. That is as a result of the spark plug cap rubber being too small. I'll show you the new ones in just a second. But yeah, basically Triumph and know it's a well documented issue. If you mention it to any Triumph dealer, they'll say, yeah, we know about that.
Something to do with a mallet.
Yeah, I read an article online that there was a young gentleman in the factory who was fitting spark plug caps with a mallet.
I mean, they are quite tight to get on.
The old ones weren't. Maybe that was the issue.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Without further ado, we'll move on to showing you how to replace the spark plug caps, and hopefully it will stop the issue of the bogging down. And then, as I say, there'll be another video later on of fitting the boost plug, which integrates into the intake air temperature sensor.
Yeah.
But we'll show you that later on. Right, so you've just seen a video that the where the spark plug was arcing from. It's literally arcing out of this rubber boot to the engine, or even through the ceramic spark plug cap through the engine. Can't really tell, but this is a replacement spark plug cap. Triumph have actually modified these, so you can see the rubber boot actually goes further up the cap, actually rises up to this sort of indent here, and they believe that has fixed the issue. So I bought a pair of these at a price of £22 and a couple of pence from the local Triumph dealer. Luckily they had them in stock.
Part number will be in the description below.
There we go.
Because according to unofficially from Triumph, it's a common thing.
Yeah, I've read online the reason behind it is someone at the factory was putting these on with tapping them with a mallet. I might have to take a tank off you. No, you're right. It's coming. So just turn these off. They've got almost like a self-tapping screw arrangement inside. I'll show you in a second. So yeah, there you go. There's like a screw fitment inside there, and that just screws straight into the HT lead. And you hope and pray that it makes contact. It looks like the actual.
It looks like
inside.
This is bigger than this one, so it looks like it gets a better seal around it as well.
Yeah.
Oh look, it does go all the way up.
Yeah. There we go. Let's chuck that new one on then.
Essentially, what's inside of that is what's on the end of the spark plug, isn't it?
Yeah.
Na 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 na.
You alright there, mate?
Yeah, I was trying to see if it had, like, if you could.
You're just blowing the spot.
Yeah, but.
Right, that's that there. God, this is fiddly. Probably should have taken the tank off.
Do you want some long nose pliers?
Yeah, you've got a lot of right angle ones. That makes life easier.
Hopefully, we're going to be triumphant in this.
Yay! You never fail to impress, dear.
No.
Right, that's about as far as that wants to go, I think. Bring that cover down. Hopefully you can still see what I'm doing. My hand's not got in the way totally. So yeah, there we go. That's now on. Try and angle that so it positions over the plug. That. I need a mallet, mate. A mallet?
I have. I can see why he was using a mallet now.
Yeah, right.
Who gave him a mallet?
Fucking hell. There we go. God, that one's different. A lot better.
Oh,
A lot
better,
tighter fit. Yeah, mate.
Yeah.
Much better fit. So yeah, right. I'll fit the one on the other side. And
Same
then
process.
sorry.
It'd be the same process.
Yeah, exactly the same process for the other side. And then we'll fire her up, and hopefully we'll have no arc in, and she'll run. An absolute dream.
Good? Yep.
Right, so yeah, that seems to fix the problem. I'll give the bike a run up the road in a minute just to make sure it's all hunky-dory, but for the price of £22 and a few pence, and for the sake of these little rubbers, that
It's
are
like literally just the rubbers, because
it looks like that way. I reckon if you could have bought the rubbers on their own,
yeah,
perhaps you could have taken these ones off and then put the new rubbers on. Because that definitely looked like where it was arcing from, didn't it?
Yeah.
Like from the top of the rubber to the engine.
yeah. Well, you're seeing the video
Yeah,
that we got of it earlier.
yeah, but like for the sake of £22, you can have a bike that's running properly. So, like I say, if you have got an issue where your T1200cc bobber scrambler or Bonneville isn't running right when it gets warm, chances are it might be related to these spark plug caps. So, get yourself a pair of them, chuck them on. Let us know how you get on in the comments.
Yeah. Then join us next time for fitting that thing.
Got a boost, booster plug.
That's it.
Yeah, got a booster plug to fit in the next episode. So stay tuned for that. That basically is to smoothen out low end running and improve fueling to the engine. They're programmed to fuel extremely, but I'll let you know more about that in the next video.
Yeah.
Right, mate.
Yeah, fine, yeah.
Yeah, have a bit of a bad one. A moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right.
Sweet. So
Cool.
yeah, but that's about it for this episode. Nice and short one, unfortunately, but join us again next time.
Yeah.
All the gear.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, ding that bell.
Yeah.
Ding.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.